Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap, showing all the trades taken last week, ending June the 10th. So let's get started. Week started on the 16th, I'm sorry, 6th June, right? So this is the first trade, pound yen, 20-minute. All the trades are from 20-minute entry chart entry. So this is first of those buy order here. You can see the SL move to break even plus buy entry here. By the book, I have to have 4 conditions in order to open a trade. And once they are met, then I open the trade, right? This one is for 135 pip. The second one is on the 6th June, same day, USD yen. Buy order here. This is the one of the 120 pip, right? All of these were, by the way, my trades before yen pairs. They were going up for like several weeks now, and I had almost like maybe 15 big trades, between 3 pairs: pound yen, USD yen, and Aussie yen. These are the 3 yen pairs I traded, and a lot of trades. I'll show you the chart at the end. So this is on the 6th June, USD yen, right here on 420 pip. This is Aussie yen on the 6th June, same 85 pip. This one, all of these were my entries and trades. I showed it in the previous video. Now on the June 6th, pound Aussie, this is along here, right? Buy order here, 65 pip. On the June 6th, a euro CAD is being strong because of the oil problem. We have the war going on, Russia, Ukraine, right? And this is for 65 pip. And pound Aussie, the second one, the first one you just saw, the second one, big time, went up on the 7th, 140 pip after the retracement here. And here you can see pound yen again on the 7th. This is the one I just showed you. This is the second one here, 150 pip. It went up, came down, and then went up again. On the 7th, Aussie yen again. This is the one I just showed you, and here 85 pip again on the 7th. USD-CAD, this was the trade, but this is the one that I'm showing here. It's 55 pip. On the 8th, again, USD yen. You'll see all yen pairs went crazy because of the yen index. I'll show you at the end. So this is again went up for 170 pip on the 8th. Okay, and on the 8th again, Aussie yen, one more chart to the upside for 150 pip. And then on the 9th, pound Aussie for 175 pip. I was actually waiting for a short entry, but news came out the other way, and boom, it went up. So found the entry, and then that's it. And on the 9th, pound Aussie again, it went up 130 pip. And on the 10th, pound yen to the downside. You see that? Short now. And I'll show you the chart that already said that I also posted on the Telegram for my subscriber, that they are making a turn now. It was like 2 weeks in a row, up, but last Friday, down. I'll show you this one. And I had a short here, the Aussie yen on the 10th, sell for 130 pip. These 2 trades on the 10th, 200 and 130, 330 pip, pound yen. And these are because of, let me show you now, that why they were going up, because of this. I said this will take all yen pairs to the upside. So since 28th May, like 30, 31st, and then June 1st, 2nd, 3rd, up until now, June the 9th, they were going up. All yen pairs were going up. And I showed you just now how many up, long trades. And then the last day, what happened? Let me show you. See, this was the target, right? 61% FE, 61%. For wave 5, and after that it's supposed to drop. So what happened last Friday? This happened. See, we went all the way, hit this 61%, and right there I made the chart that, okay, we're gonna be right there somewhere. We're gonna make the turn and come down here. So did we? Look at this current chart here. See that? A little bit, but like I said, the yen index is very powerful. A little bit of move in the index as the pairs move big time. Pound yen dropped because of the pound weakness as well. So yen was started to get strong and pound got very weak, and that's why 200 pip to the downside. So because of this, let me show you the Telegram. See this chart? I posted on the Telegram right here on June 9th. You see that 9th? That it was here. So I said, we're gonna drop. This is the chart here. Where the heck? See that? This chart? So I posted here chart and I said, this will send all yen pairs down. Go look at it. Every single thing went down on Friday. Not single thing, but all yen pairs. And I was only able to, I was watching only 3 pairs, pound yen, USD yen, and Aussie yen. USD yen didn't give me the entry. So these two, pound yen for 200 pip and Aussie yen 130 pip drop I had on Friday because of this chart that is making a turn now. And if it continue, then we will have a continual big drop to the downside. These are the trades that I got to 200 and 130 to the downside after yen index making the turn. So how far is going to go down? Time will tell, but I think right now we are still going down and all yen pair is going to go down. All right, so I'm going to make another chart showing all the trades for last 2 weeks, all yen, only yen pairs trades. I'll show you because of the just one index chart. Okay, so this is it for now. If you like what you saw, you want to get a hold of the system, you want to be a part of it and learn how to do it, then you go on my website, creativetradingsystems.com, and subscribe. Or if you need to learn everything, then sign up for one-on-one. And I'll, on Zoom 10-hour course, I'll come and teach you everything. So this is it for now. And I'm going to make the next video about all yen trades. And it's beautiful. It tells you that if you can only find the direction in one of those index chart, you have tons of. Let me show you something else quickly. The chart that I'm making right now, and I think that is going to make a turn, is US dollar index. Okay, US dollar index is about to make the turn to the downside, means US dollar gonna get weaker. So this is the chart I made that's gonna go there. So it started dropping, then it went up. So how far? See this drop, and then it went up to 78%. It's doing the same version on a smaller time frame on a 40-minute chart. I dropped and went back to 78% right there. Right. So this is the current chart I just made, and I'm gonna send that to my subscribers. So what's happening? If this happened, right? Then this will happen. So you see, catching the direction in one of those index chart gives you so many trades. I have 7 USD pairs, and at least I will have 3 or 4 beautiful entries easily, and that I can take. These 4 pairs will go up, and these 3 pairs should go down. When if this thing will go down. All right. So this is how it is. So this is how I caught the yen direction, yen index. And I had like almost 12 or 15 big trades. Similarly, if I can catch this one, by the way, this is the one that I made the prediction that this thing is going to go from here to there. Let me just quickly show you that as well. If I can USDX 40-minute chart, and the R should pop up. And let me see if this, no, not, maybe this is the one. No, this is the one that I just made. Okay, so which one is that? Let me just go back, and you see this one here. So this is what I said, it came down here, 50%, it started to go up. And then this is where I was pointing, but it went all the way to here, to 11.4% line. You see that? 11.4% line. So it went up from here to here. And now this is, if you pull the fib from here to here, this is 78%. So it's gonna, I think it's gonna make the turn. If it makes the turn, it's gonna drop all the way. If usually from 78%, usually it goes back to 38%, 90% of the time, 38%. So once we get there, we will see that if it is bouncing and going to the upside or breaking this level and going all the way for the outer TL and then break that and go down here. So let's see what happens. But if it is coming down, this will happen. Euro USD, pound USD, Aussie USD, and USD will go up. USD-CAD, USD franc, USD yen should be going down. All right, so this is how it is. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.